This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Anne Brewer. Welcome to your dream home in Sajo Farm neighborhood. This gorgeous 5-bed/2.5 bath offers ample space for comfortable living and entertaining. As you step inside, you'll be greeted by an open floor plan that seamlessly connects the living, dining, and kitchen areas. Freshly painted inside and out, custom plantation shutters throughout, newer carpeted bedrooms, hardwood down. Kitchen has new top-of-the-line appliances, new HVAC 1ST/2ND floor, third floor HVAC 3 years old, new mini split frog, hot water heater 1 year old. Too many upgrades to list. This must-see home includes access to community pool, clubhouse, fitness room, tot lot, kayak/canoe launch, nature trails, and catch a fish in one of the ponds. Near to airport, military bases, shopping, restaurants. The 29th of April 2025.